Yes, so our trip is about telling the Hong Kong business about Astana International Financial Center, which I believe in the modern world where, about the tariffs and then there is a geopolitical tension. The business needs a point of stability, right? And we need kind of a place where businesses from East and West can connect. And Astana, Kazakhstan, first of all, of course, and Astana International Financial Center, we believe is the gateway. It is becoming, as you mentioned already, trading volumes are up, transit volumes are up through the Kazakhstan. So we want to tell more about the opportunities that we present. Because when country has created AFC with its special jurisdiction based on common law, that was the idea that a lot of the businesses will come and develop themselves in our financial center. And in the region, there are no any other analogies. Other financial centers close by are in the Gulf region.
Is there anything in Hong Kong that stands out to you? And I'm going to lead the answer a little bit here. I'm going to talk about the Hong Kong stock market because we've seen a stunning debut this week, a contemporary Amprex that has elevated Hong Kong's status in terms of the IPO league tables to #1 in the world. Is there anything about the Hong Kong market that Astana, that AIFC wants to get into and integrate or learn more about?
Yeah, sure. I mean, Hong Kong always was the kind of role model that we looked at when creating the financial center, right? Hong Kong historical has a common law in the country where there is a codified law, right? But we did it manually. I mean, like we set up it from top down. However, we always look at the capital market that the Hong Kong has. We have our own exchange, Astana International Exchange, that is much, much smaller than Hong Kong, of course. But we strive, we want to develop our capital market like it is in Hong Kong. And we have recently seen the growth in the volumes of trading, for example, in AX, which is the new exchange. It was created only in 2018. In 2024, the trading volume achieved $1.3 billion per year, actually. It's still small. However, this is like twice more than in previous 5 years, so the growth is tremendous. And we're bringing more and more retail to the market as well. So we had to, for example, even develop our own app because brokers didn't have an app. So we have developed our own app, Tabas, that allowed retail to participate in IPO. So in 2018, when we had our first IPO, only 3,000 Kazakh citizens participated in IPO. In 2022, when we did the IPO of our oil company, 74,000. That's like 20 times more people have participated because everything became digital, right? We developed this app and now we sold it to the market. So now it's operated by one of the independent brokers.
Would there be any interest to talk to Hong Kong exchanges? I know that they have working relationships with a number of markets around the world, some in Southeast Asia, also in the Middle East, that would enable some cross listings once that happens.
Yes, we do talk to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, but also to the market participants like CICC, like Citi Securities, like Shanghai Hongyan. Recently, TF Securities have joined AX as a trading member. So that is the plan. We want to bring in an IPO on Hong Kong on AX, a company that has business in both countries to showcase that this is actually the model that we want to implement and we want to connect the capital markets in two countries, in two regions.